So, hello, welcome you all. Today, you guys have to manage a bit because in the lockdown period, I cannot arrange the board for you guys. So, I am going to teach by using pen and paper. Right? So, let's start with the topic length of direct and transverse common tangent. Right? So, this topic is important for various Olympiad exams as well as for JEE Mains. This type of question has already been asked in JEE Mains exam. So we have to find the length of direct common tangent and length of transverse common tangent. Clear? So length of direct common tangent क्या होगी उसकी फार्मूला अपन बनाएंगे और एक ट्रांसवर्स कॉमन टेंजेंट क्या होगा उसका एक फार्मूला डिज़ाइन करेंगे. राइट. सो इन दिस फिगर यू कैन से दिस इज़ द सर्कल C1 with center O1 radius R1 and circle C2 with center O2 and radius R2. Right. So we draw a line AB. Right. We draw a line AB which is direct common tangent. आप याद रखने के लिए सोच सकते सीधा ड्रॉ कर दिया. ड्रॉ करने में कोई कठिनाई नहीं हुई तो डायरेक्ट कॉमन टेंजेंट है. और दिस लाइन वी ड्रॉ इज़ अ ट्रांसवर्स कॉमन टेंजेंट. तिरछी रेखा बनाई मैंने, एक थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्टी हुआ तो ये ट्रांसवर्स कॉमन टेंजेंट ऐसा आप याद रख सकते हैं ना कि डायरेक्ट सीधा ड्रॉ कर दिया, ट्रांसवर्स में थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्टी हुआ. राइट. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द फार्मूला फॉर these two lengths AB and PQ, and we will memorize that formula, or you can also go by concept, no issue. So and we can put the value and we can get the result by using that formula. Okay, so first we will find the length of direct common tangent. Right. So what is direct common tangent? This AB is the direct common tangent and we have to find the length of this AB. Clear? सो बिफोर फाइंडिंग द लेंथ मुझे ये पता है कि अगर किसी सर्कल में अगर मैं टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करूँ तो रेडियस और टेंजेंट के बीच का एंगल कितना होता है 90 डिग्री. सो बाय यूजिंग दैट प्रॉपर्टी वी कैन से O1A इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. सिमिलरली O2B इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. So this two angle is automatic 90 degree. So this two angle is 90 degree. And by construction I constructed a line O2M. This is perpendicular to O1A. Right. So by construction this angle AMO2 is also 90 degree. Clear? So this rectangle AMO2 and B is this figure AMO2 and B is rectangle because three angle is already 90 degree and fourth one is itself again 90 degree. So four angles each is 90 degree. Clear hai? So we can say by rectangle property this length AB is equal to this length O2M. Clear hai? So I have written this length AB is equal to O2M. Clear? So what now we can do? We can go in the triangle MO1 O2. Right? So in triangle MO1 O2, angle O1M O2 is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say O2M square plus MO1 square is equal to O1 O2 square. Clear? So O2M is what? This length AB, this is AB square, and MO1. What about MO1? This complete length is radius R1 and this is radius R2, and by rectangle property this is also R2. So this length MO1 is equal to R1 minus R2. Right. So this is R1 minus R2 square is equal to O1 O2 whole square. Right. So this AB is what? Root of O1 O2 whole square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. So this is the formula for length of direct common tangent. Clear? Similarly we will find length of transverse common tangent. Clear? So what is transverse common tangent and how to find this length? So this is your two circle, this is O1, this is O2. Let us draw a line like this, and this, right? So this is Q, this is P, right? So this is the distance between the center. So by construction, what we can do, we can extend this line and we can join by using this line, and this angle is 90 degree, this point, let's say M, right? So now we will discuss in triangle O1, O2, M, in triangle O1, O2 and M. Clear? In triangle O1, O2 and M, angle O1, M, O2 is 90 degree, right? So this is the radius R1 and this is the radius R2. We can prove this by the same property that I have used here in this transverse common tangent concept. We can use the same property over here also, right? So उस प्रॉपर्टी से ये अगेन एक रेक्टेंगल हो जाएगा और ये लेंथ आपकी क्या हो जाएगी R2, ये लेंथ भी R2. So this O1M is how much? This O1M, this O1M is R1 plus R2. Clear है? So in triangle O1, O2, and what we can say in triangle O1, O2 and M, in triangle O1, O2 and M, right? O1, O2 square is equal to, what about this? O1, O2 square is equal to O1M square plus MO2 square. So this is equal to O1 M square plus M, O1 M square plus O1 M square plus M O2 square, right? O1 square plus M O2 square. So this is O1 O2 square is equal to O1 M is R1 plus R2 square plus MO2 is what? Center between MO2 is what? Length of your tangent. This is equal to what? PQ. So this PQ comes out to be root of O1 O2 square minus R1 plus R2 square. So we can say in transverse common tangent formula we are getting plus sign over here. In the direct common tangent formula we are getting minus sign over. This is the only difference between these two formulas, and directly by using this formula we can find the length of direct or transverse common tangent, no issue. So let us see an example. This is a triangle, sorry triangle nahi, circle hai. This is circle C1 and this is circle C2, and we have to find the length of direct common tangent, and radius is, this is let's see 3 and this radius is 6, and distance between the center is 10 unit. So directly you have to find the length of AB. So this is direct common tangent. Directly we can find AB is how much? Distance between the center of what? 10 square plus